Good morning, student. This is Ajay Yadav. Today we are going to read the Social Science, Geography, Chapter 5, Industries. Okay, in this chapter we are studying cotton textile industries. In previous page we have read about the iron industries, TISCO, and other one, iron and steel industries. And then there are different industries. Those are given: Salim Plant, Bokaro Steel, Visakhapatnam Steel, Hindustan Steel Limited, TISCO, ISCO, Visvasaraya Iron Steel. Okay, but now today we are going to read the cotton textile industries in India. As you know, cotton and textile, this is the oldest industry of the world. In ancient time, during the 17th-16th century, the Indian textiles was very famous in all over the world because it was very cheap and very durable and very fine quality. Okay, same as during the Indus Valley civilization and the Sumerian civilization and the Egyptian civilization, those was introduced in Nile river in Africa. During those time, that cotton textiles was very famous. That's why it is called the oldest textile of the world. Okay, oldest textile industry of the world. If anyone asks the question which one is the oldest industries of the world, you can say the cotton industries. Okay, after the industrial revolution, as you know, in term of industry, the Britishers, the England, this country which is located in Europe continent, it is first did the industrial revolution. Lot of industries, machineries are introduced or invented in that country, in England, and then they are started to build the different textile industries in the in England. Mass production of first is Great Britain and then spear other part of the world. So first, after the industrial revolution in England, the English person, the Britishers, started to produce mass production, very huge production of the cotton cloths, and after that these production are speared all over the world. And as we know, we have the two type of the fabrics: natural fabrics and man-made fabrics. Those are help us to make the cloths. In natural, all the fabrics are cotton, jute, flax, wool, silk, rayon, nylon, and polyester. These are all the fabrics which are used for the making the cloth. And rather than these are the raw material. These fabrics, cotton, jute, flax, wood, silk, rayon, nylon, and polyester. These are the raw material for the textile industries. And among of them, which is given here, the some are called the natural: cotton, jute, wool, silk. These are called the natural fibers, and acrylic, nylon, and polyester are called man-made fabrics. So what are the natural fabrics? If anyone asks, write the name of some natural fibers. The natural fibers are cotton, jute, wool, and silk, and man-made rayon, acrylic, nylon, and polyester. Before the industrial revolution, before the invention of the heavy machineries and the establishment of industry, the handloom propelled spinning, okay, you can say the loom, power loom were first used in England. So before that, in India, the loom were worked. That loom was worked by the help of hand. The people using the hand or the weaving skill, they make the different type of the textiles, cotton cloths, okay, or textile cloths. But after the power loom, when the power loom means when the loom are invented, those are worked with the help of machineries in England, then the production of the cotton textile of the world are become very famous. So now this time, the many countries of the world, those are producing the maximum quantity of the textile in production, like India, China, Japan, USA, Russia, Brazil, Italy. These are the countries. Those are nowadays are produce the lot of the cotton textiles in all over the world. In India, as you know, in the ancient time, during the 16th and 17th century, the fine quality of the fabrics are were very famous on this time. That is muslin of Dhaka. That is called muslin. This is the quality type of the cotton. Okay, calico of Calicut. This is another type, means Dhaka. On that time, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. As you know, before the India Pakistan war in 1971, or you can say before the 1947, the Bangladesh was the part of India. So Dhaka, in the Dhaka, the best quality of the cotton were produced, that is called the muslin, same as in Calicut, Kerala. Okay, in Kerala, the cotton those are manufactured is called calico, and chains of Masulipatanam. Masulipatanam is the place located in the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, the chains. Okay, we have already read in this muslin, calico, and cheese in previous lesson. Okay, these were well known. Well known means these were very famous in all over the world during the 17th, 18th century. And the mill made cloth were comparatively cheaper, but after the invention of mills, machineries, then because of these muslin, calico, and cheese, those were made by the hand. The skilled person, those are called weavers, those were made these fabrics, cotton textiles. But after the invention of machineries, then the textile, the cloth, those were made in the mill, they were comparatively cheaper than the hand cloths. That's why slowly the handloom were died, because of the person those were making the cloth with the help of hand. That was the cloths were have costly rate, but the cloths those were made by the mill, those were very cheaper. Initially in textile hub in India, in Maharashtra and Gujarat state. Okay, initially means in starting time, the two textile mills. Textile means the factories of the cotton factories. The cotton factories are called textile mills. The textile mills are easily established in Maharashtra and Gujarat, because these were the state, those are the very good condition of the growing of cotton. As we know, in our country, in India, the cotton are grown up maximum in the Maharashtra and Gujarat. That's why the good climatic conditions and the transportatory system and the many other resources, availability of raw material, which we have read in factor affecting of the establishment of industries. So according to these, Maharashtra and Gujarat were the very famous place for establishment of the cotton mills, because we can get the raw material of cotton. There is a transporting system very good, because both were near the sea areas, port areas. But nowadays, initially become the secondary, and thus the industry spread all over the countries. Now today's, the different part of the countries, the cotton mills are established, like in Kanpur, Indore, Coimbatore, Ludhiana, Amritsar, and Pondicherry. Okay, these are the places where the cotton mills are now established and work. Cotton textile in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, it is located in Gujarat, in the near the bank of Sabarmati. Okay, Ahmedabad was a very famous place as for the cotton textile mills. Okay, lot of cotton textile factories or industries are established in that place. It is located in Gujarat state, near the bank of Sabarmati. The raw material is easily available, because of Gujarat and Maharashtra is the major producer of the cotton. Okay, the humid climate, the climate and the environment is so good, that's why it is very perfect for the established cotton mills. Okay, here is the first mill in Gujarat, established in 1859. So in 1859, the first cotton mill was established in Gujarat. Okay, and Ahmedabad became the second largest textile city of India after the Mumbai. As you know, the maximum number of the textile mills are established in Mumbai, but second one is on the second position of the Ahmedabad. Okay, so that's why Ahmedabad is called the Manchester of India. What is called the Manchester of India? Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is called the Manchester of emergent due to the emergence of the new textile center of the other part of country. Non-upgradation of technology in the mill of the Ahmedabad are the two main reasons for this. Okay, so today's over. You will revise that, and I will give you homework, some question on the basis of that paragraph, and you will complete the answer for seeing them and send in my private account. Okay, thank you.